Hello, and welcome to the next module where we'll create a snowy visualization. The same as before, we start from the overall discussion about the image, so you are aware of the goals of this graphic. So in this case, we use the vertical proportion, which has its important explanation. When we want to show the high building, the vertical ratio is most likely the best choice. Thanks to this, the building, which is our main interest, takes up a lot of space in the image. And we show them as important, and we focus our attention there. Otherwise, when we show too much of everything, the viewer may be confused about what he should focus on. And in this example, you can notice that even though our building takes much of the image space, we still can see the context and get an idea where it is, how it composes together with the older part of the city, what are the connections, and so on. In terms of the rule of composition itself, we based our image on the rule of thirds. It works pretty well in the vertical proportions, and we felt that this one would be the best choice here. So we positioned the main character somewhere close to the crossing of the lines. The main part of the building are included between 1 and 2/3. The camera angle makes the building dynamic, but on the other hand, it's not too dynamic, which would create too unrealistic results. We also frame the image with trees, but the viewer itself is a part of the visualization. He is not an observer, he takes part in what happens there. And this was our goal here. We wanted the viewer to feel he belongs to this space, that this building may be a place for him, for his office, for his company. Additionally, we decided to create a more muted, subtle, and relaxed mood, which we'll talk more about in the next lessons, to highlight that this building is a part of the city, not a totally separate object in there. So the goal was to show that the entire space is sort of the one organism. And with this palette and soft lighting, it became possible. So as you know the main idea behind the image, we can talk about the storytelling in this image. And this will be the topic of the next lesson. So see you there!